Here I have Samsung Galaxy J7 2017, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power key, let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to find the slot to your device. The slot is located at the left edge of the device right here. So let me show you. Here I have the slots. As you can see, the device has two slots. Let me open the smaller one. Let's use some thumber tag or special eject tool to press into this hole. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device. And here you can insert the Nano SIM card. As you can see, this is the slot for a SIM card. Here I have Nano SIM. And let's put this card in that position with the characteristic edge right here. Let me put the card and let's press and push the whole thing into your device. Let's push it to the end. Now let's open the second slot. Let's use some thumber tag one more time. Let's push it right here. Now we can remove the whole thing. Let's do it. And here you can insert also the Nano SIM card and also the memory card. So let me insert the memory card. Here I have such a card, the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Let me leave the following slot empty, so let me just use one SIM card. Let me push the whole thing into my device to the end. Now let's switch on the Samsung Galaxy J7 by using the power key, and let me check if my card works properly. So the Samsung Galaxy J7 is switching on. If you have a pin to your SIM, you have to enter your pin. Let me enter mine. This is the home screen, so let's open the list of all applications. Let's choose settings. Let me select connection settings, the first one. Choose SIM card manager. And as you can see, the device is reading our first SIM card. So it's a good sign because we just input the one SIM card, so everything is alright. Let's go back. Here you have to choose also the device maintains, choose storage, and as you can see, the device is reading our SD card, so everything went well. Our cards are installed properly. Let's go back and you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.